Not sure if she's really into you? Want to know for sure? These signs will give you the clues you need that she has strong feelings for you. Recognizing these signs can be a game changer. The first sign is her spontaneous laughter. There's something incredibly attractive about a woman who genuinely finds joy in your company. Her laughter is not just a sound, it's a melody that signifies she's utterly comfortable and joyful around you. It's a testament to your ability to bring satisfaction into her life, making each moment you share filled with happiness and ease. Next, the comfort of your apparel. When she starts wearing your clothes, it's more than a fashion statement. It's her way of staying close to you, even in your absence. This gesture symbolizes comfort and an unspoken bond between you two. It signifies a deeper emotional connection, as she finds solace and warmth in the scent and feel of your clothes, bridging the physical distance between you. The third is the barefaced beauty. While society often pressures women to present themselves in certain ways, her choice to share her natural self with you is a sign of trust and comfort. It's her way of saying she's confident and secure with you. This act of vulnerability showcases her trust and the comfort level in your relationship, allowing her to be her authentic self without the mask society often demands. How about saying your name? Whether it's a soft call across a crowded room or a tender mention during intimate moments, when she uses your name, it's a signal of her deep affection and connection to you. This intimate act creates a private space between the two of you, filled with affection and a unique personal connection that she values deeply. Then there's the gaze of adoration. There's a certain look she gives you, one that's filled with warmth and longing. This look, often when she's asking for something or expressing gratitude, can melt your heart and is a clear sign of her deep feelings. This gaze is a window into her soul, offering you a glimpse of the depth of her feelings and the significance of your role in her life. How often does she play with her hair? Whether she's twirling a strand around her finger or brushing it off her face, this unconscious act can be a sign of nervousness or flirtation, showing she's keen on making an impression on you. This is a physical expression of her thought process and emotions, a nonverbal cue that invites you into her personal space and indicates a desire for closeness. Meanwhile, what about her morning vulnerability? Walking up next to someone can be one of the most vulnerable moments. If she's comfortable showing you her sleepy, disheveled self, it's a sign of her genuine comfort and intimacy with you. Sharing this raw, unfiltered state is a sign of true companionship and comfort, highlighting a level of intimacy where pretenses fall away, leaving pure connection. Next, watch for lip bites. This subtle, often unconscious gesture can be a powerful sign of attraction. It's her body's way of drawing attention to her, showcasing a mix of nervousness and excitement around you. This playful gesture is a complex mix of flirtation and self-expression, signaling her interest and the depth of her feelings in a subtly seductive manner. Does she show an interest in what you like? Whether she's cheering for your favorite team or picking up a controller for a video game session, her effort to share your interests is a testament to her affection and desire to be part of your world. Her participation in your hobbies signifies her willingness to invest in the relationship, seeking common ground and shared joy in activities you love. Does she want to cook for you? They say the way to a person's heart is through their stomach, and her efforts to cook for you, successful or not, are acts of love. It's her way of nurturing and caring for the relationship. These efforts reflect her desire to create shared experiences and memories, valuing the process and the time spent together over the perfection of the outcome. What about her fearful moments? Her willingness to show vulnerability, like jumping at a spider or seeking your hand during a scary movie, allows you to step into the role of protector, deepening the bond between you. Her openness in expressing fears allows you to engage in acts of care and protection, deepening the emotional connection and reinforcing the bond of trust. She loves to wear your cap, There's something irresistibly charming about her wearing a baseball cap forward. It's her adopting your style in a way that's both adorable and signifies her comfort and belonging with you. This simple act is a significant gesture of her integrating your world into hers, symbolizing a blend of identities and mutual respect for each other's preferences. She looks for reasons to be close. When she stretches to grab something out of reach, it's not just about the task at hand. It's an opportunity for closeness, often leading to a tender exchange or shared laughter. These moments, while seemingly small, are significant in building a partnership where both individuals feel valued and needed, strengthening the relationship's foundation. These are the moments you often look back on as special in your relationship. Next, her desire to cuddle. Despite claims of independence, her desire to cuddle speaks volumes. It's her seeking safety and comfort in your arms, a physical manifestation of her trust and affection for you. Her seeking physical closeness is a powerful expression of her emotional needs and trust in you, to be a source of comfort and security. It's a great feeling when a woman has total trust and affection for you, and cuddling is usually a way they like to express these feelings. And finally, embracing the awkward. Whether it's an awkward silence or a clumsy moment, her ability to laugh it off and stay close is a sign of true companionship. It's in these imperfect moments that real connection deepens. Her ability to share and navigate awkward moments with you signifies a strong connection, where you both can be genuinely yourselves, embracing imperfections and celebrating uniqueness. Understanding the nuanced behaviors and subtle signals of affection can significantly enhance the dynamics of a relationship. From the genuine laughter shared in moments of joy to the comfort found in physical closeness and the willingness to embrace each other's worlds, these 15 signs are indicative of a deep emotional connection. Recognizing and valuing these gestures of love not only fosters a stronger bond, but also contributes to the development of a supportive and enduring partnership. As we navigated the complexities of human emotions and relationships, it is essential to pay attention to these telltale signs. They serve as a reminder of the importance of empathy, mutual respect, and the shared journey of intimacy. By acknowledging and appreciating the depth of affection expressed through these actions, couples can build a foundation of trust and understanding, paving the way for a fulfilling and lasting relationship. The key to deepening your connection lies in the appreciation of the simple yet profound expressions of love that unfold in the everyday moments shared together. Recognizing these signs is just the beginning, though. Understanding and reciprocating her feelings can lead to a more profound, connected relationship. If you've noticed these behaviors in someone special, consider it a green light to explore the depths of your connection further. Thank you for joining us on Romance Repair. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more relationship insights. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on ways to keep your romance in perfect condition. Until next time, keep nurturing your love. Till next.